to it, and yeah, I'm on. Let that stage light go and shine on down. Got that Bob Barker suit game and Plinko in my style. Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds. But I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm my INDEPENDENT. It's hustling, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bussin'.
Recreate a Roman chariot race. The kids had to design and test out their chariots, and then we had a competition in which we judged not only for their creative ability, how they looked, but how they raced. And also for my world history class, they do a big project every year where they have to give me a board, and instead of having to get the old trifold boards and find the color printers and stuff, we utilize the large color printer so that they could actually print out their stuff. And I love the results. I think this will be what we do for the World History Project from here on out.
Get set, go!
Go, Carson! Go!
Off to a good start. You gotta turn it, just want to release it.
Go, Carson! Turn, Carson! Turn, Carson! Go, Carson!
Good first clap.
Go, Carson!
And you're loud.
This year in my computer classes, we've used a lot of things from the Innovation Lab. One of the things we used this year was the Spheros bolts. The students used it for coding, practicing coding. They created their own fairy tales and got with a partner and told the story through using their Spheros bolts. We used the laser engraver. We created Christmas ornaments with the laser engraver. And we've also used the 3D printer. We made snowflake ornaments for nursing home residents.
So it was for geography. So for the 6th grade, we went to Machu Picchu. Do you all remember that?
Yes, I do remember
I
that.
think I do remember that.
So, yes. So in South America, or Central, sorry. And so they got to see where those buildings were, and they got to see llamas and such. Anyway. And 7th grade, we were studying Antarctica at that point. So one of the places was Antarctica.
My favorite thing about the Oculus is when we went to Antarctica in Miss Berkey's 7th grade geography, and I was rowing in a canoe, and a giant penguin just jumped on top of it.
I liked the Anne Frank tour of her home.
I got the grant for the innovation lab. It was very blank, so I printed a bunch of things, put on things, like the bear on the flag, and the shark that hangs off the 3D printer. And it really taught us how to use it.
So I believe that the grant helped the school in providing students with lots of avenues for critical thinking skills.